Hi everybody! Today we're making some Rice Krispie squares.
Remember to wash your hands before you begin. The ingredients you'll need will be 6 cups of Rice Krispies, 3 tablespoons of butter, and 4 cups of marshmallows. First, place a pot on the stove and turn to medium. Add your butter and wait for it to melt, then add all of the marshmallows. Continue to stir the marshmallows while allowing them to settle for about 10-second intervals. Once your marshmallow mixture looks like this, you can leave it to settle for around 15 seconds. This is what your mixture should look like before adding the Rice Krispies. Now you can turn off the heat and set it aside to cool. Now add the Rice Krispies and mix it in. This should be the consistency after a couple minutes. Set it aside and grab your pan. After adding wax paper to the pan, add the Rice Krispies. Continue to press the Rice Krispies down until you fill the whole pan. Once you're done, your pot might look like this. I'd suggest soaking in water and adding dish soap. If that's not working, definitely try scrubbing. Hope you enjoyed!